Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English and IELTS Mastery Hub, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Tom.
Hello, Tom. Hi, everyone. It's so good to be here today. I'm Elena.
Yes, it is great to see you, Elena. How are you?
I'm okay, thank you. A little tired.
Oh, tired already? It's only the afternoon.
I know, I had a very busy morning. And you, Tom, how are you?
I'm great. I am very, very happy today.
You are always happy, Tom. Why are you happy today?
Well, I have my favorite coffee, a big, warm coffee.
That helps. I have tea, green tea.
And green tea is very good too.
Yes. Well, Tom, before we start our chat, we should ask everyone something.
Oh, yes, good idea. Everyone listening, welcome. We are so happy you are here with us.
Yes, and please, if you like our podcast, click the like button.
And subscribe to English and IELTS Mastery Hub. It helps us make more episodes for you.
And share this with your friends. If your friend is learning English, maybe they will enjoy our chat too.
Yes, thank you so much.
Okay, so Tom,
Yes, Elena?
today we're just talking, right?
Yes, this episode is a real English conversation. We are just friends talking.
I love this. Okay, so Mr. Tired, why are you tired?
Oh no, it's work.
Work, a hard day?
Yesterday was a very long day.
Oh, really? What happened at work?
We had a big meeting.
A meeting with your boss?
Yes, with my boss, Mr. Henderson, and the whole team, everyone.
I do not like big meetings. They are long.
So long. This meeting was 3 hours.
3? Wow.
Yes, 3 hours of talking.
Oh my goodness. Talking about what?
The boss wants a new report, a very big report, all about numbers.
Oh, numbers. I don't like numbers.
Me too. I like words, but he wants this big report on Friday.
Friday, but today is Tuesday.
I know, Friday is very soon.
So you are very busy.
We are all very busy. The team is stressed.
Stressed? Oh no.
Yes, and there's a small problem.
A problem with people?
Yes, with people, my colleagues. You know David?
Yes, I know David. He is tall, he is very funny.
Yes, that's David. Well, David and Sarah.
Sarah? I don't know Sarah.
Sarah's new. She's very nice and very quiet.
Oh, okay. David is loud and Sarah is quiet.
Yes, exactly. And they work together on this report.
Oh no.
Yes, David talks a lot, and Sarah, she works hard. She's very focused.
I see. So David talks and Sarah works.
Yes, and yesterday, Sarah was sad.
Sad? Why?
I think David said something not nice, maybe. I don't know. I was not there. But Sarah looked very down. She said, David is difficult.
Oh, that is hard. Work problems are the worst.
Yes, I like David and I like Sarah. I want everyone to be happy.
Is your boss, Mr. Henderson, angry?
No, the boss is okay. He's just busy. He doesn't see the problem. He only sees the big report.
Yes, exactly. He just says, I need the report on Friday.
So David and Sarah must work together.
Yes, and I sit between them.
Oh, Tom, that is difficult.
Today at lunch, I ate alone.
Alone? But you always eat lunch with David.
I know, but today David ate at his desk and Sarah ate at her desk.
Oh, so the office was quiet.
Very quiet. Too quiet. I do not like it. Work is much better with friends.
Yes, much, much better. So what is your plan?
I have an idea. A good idea, I think. I need your help.
My help? Okay. Coffee?
Coffee?
Yes.
Yes, I will buy coffee for Sarah.
Oh, that is very kind, Tom.
And maybe coffee for David.
Yes, coffee for everyone.
I will go to the coffee shop, the coffee stop.
Oh, the one on the corner with the big green sign?
Yes, that one.
They have good cookies there.
Cookies?
Yes, big chocolate cookie.
Alina, you are very smart. Buy coffee and cookies. People are always happy with cookies.
Okay. A coffee for Sarah and a cookie for Sarah, and a coffee for David and a cookie for David.
Yes, perfect plan.
I will do that at 10 a.m.
10 a.m., good, before lunch.
I hope it works. I hope they talk.
I hope so too. You are a good friend, Tom.
Thank you. I just want a happy office.
And good luck with the numbers.
Oh, yes, the report. So many numbers.
Is it maths?
Yes, adding, subtracting, looking at numbers. It's boring.
I am very bad at maths.
Me too. I like talking.
Yes, talking is easy. Maths is hard.
Okay. Enough work talk. It makes me tired again.
Okay, so Tom, you said you were very happy.
I am.
Is it just the coffee?
The coffee is very good, but no, I have wonderful news.
Oh, good news. Tell me.
My friend, my best friend Maria.
Maria?
Yes, you know Maria. She is very fun. She has long black hair.
Yes, that's her.
Well, Maria is getting married.
What? Married? Wow.
Yes, she told me last night. I am so excited.
That is fantastic news. Wow. When is the wedding?
Next month.
Next month? That is very soon.
I know, very fast, but they're so happy. That is the important part.
Who is she marrying?
His name is Leo. He's very nice. He's a doctor.
A doctor? Very good.
Yes, Maria's so happy. The wedding is in a garden.
A garden wedding? Oh, that is beautiful with flowers.
Yes, lots of flowers, trees. It will be very nice.
So you are excited.
I am, but I'm also stressed.
Stressed? Why? It's a happy time.
I know, but Elena, I need a suit.
A suit for the wedding.
Yes, a new suit, a beautiful suit.
Oh, that is fun, shopping.
It is fun, but it's hard.
Hard? Why?
What color?
That is a good question. I like blue. Do you like blue?
Blue is a very nice color.
Yes, a blue suit. But Maria loves green. Maybe I should wear a green tie for Maria.
Green is nice too. A blue suit and a green tie in a garden.
Yes, that is very good. Okay, blue suit, green tie,
Sounds great, Tom.
but shoes.
Oh no, more problems?
Yes, shoes. I cannot wear old shoes. They look terrible.
That is true. Old shoes and wedding photos, not good.
So I need new shoes. Brown shoes, maybe.
Brown shoes are classic. Good.
Okay, so a blue suit, green tie, and brown shoes.
Where will you go shopping?
I think the big mall.
The mall is good. Many shop.
Yes, I will go on Saturday.
Saturday is a good day for shopping.
But, Alina, I have another problem.
Oh no, what now?
I don't dance well.
Tom, you are not that bad.
I am. At weddings, there's always dancing. I'm scared.
You can practice.
How?
At home, turn on music and dance alone.
Dance alone?
Yes, close the door, no one can see you.
Maybe. That is funny.
You will be fine. Maria will be happy you are there, even if your dancing is bad.
True. That's real friendship.
Where did Maria meet Leo?
Oh, yes. Good question. It is a very funny story. They met at the supermarket.
Oh, really?
Yes. Maria was buying apples, red apples, and Leo was buying oranges.
Apples and oranges.
Yes, and Maria dropped the apples.
Oh, no.
Yes, apples everywhere, all over the floor. And Leo helped her. He got on the floor and picked up the apples.
Oh, that's very nice. Like a movie.
Yes, he looked at her and said, I think your apples are more beautiful than my oranges.
That is a strange line, but also very sweet.
Maria laughed, and they had coffee.
Coffee again. Coffee is important.
Yes, and now a wedding.
That is a great story. I like that.
Me too. So yes, I'm very happy for her.
That is wonderful news. You must show me a photo of you in the blue suit.
Okay, please remind me after the wedding.
I will. So this week, you have a big, boring report.
Yes, with David and Sarah and cookies.
And you have a big, fun wedding next month.
Yes, a busy time for us.
What will you do on Friday night after the report?
Friday night, I will go home, I will take off my work clothes,
Yes.
and put on pajamas.
Good plan.
Then I will sit on my sofa, my big gray sofa,
Sounds good.
and I will order pizza.
Ooh, pizza. What kind of pizza?
I like pepperoni. Simple.
Pepperoni is very good. I like cheese pizza. Just cheese, lots and lots of cheese.
Okay. And sleep. I need sleep.
Yes, you do.
I will watch a funny movie, a comedy. I need to laugh after this week.
Yes, you do. That sounds like a perfect Friday.
What about you, Elena? What will you do this weekend?
On Saturday, I will clean my apartment in the morning. Then in the afternoon, I will help Maria look at flowers for the wedding.
Oh, nice. Flowers are important.
Yes, and in the evening, Maria and I will have dinner to talk about the wedding and about Leo and about your blue suit.
Oh, no. They will talk about my dancing, too.
Baby.
Well, that is a good weekend for both of us.
Yes. Wow, Tom, look at the time.
Oh, yes. Time flies when we talk.
Yes, it does. It was so nice to talk with you, Tom. Do you feel better? Not so tired?
Yes, I do. I feel much better. Talking helped.
Me too. I liked our chat. And thank you everyone for listening.
Yes, thank you so much. That is all the time we have for today. We hope you liked our conversation. It was a real chat.
Please don't forget to subscribe to English and IELTS Mastery Hub and click the like button if you had fun today.
And share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
Yes, and we have a question for you.
Oh, a question. What is it, Tom?
In the comments below, tell us, what did you do yesterday?
Nice. Or what will you do this weekend?
Yes, tell us about your day or your week. We love reading your comments in English.
Yes, we really do.
Great. Well, see you next time, Elena.
Bye, Tom.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.